Over $200 billion is spent each year on car repair and maintenance. Unfortunately, over 20% of that is unnecessary. If you're tired of wasting your hard-earned money, here are 17 car repair secrets that will save you $3,000 yearly. We've even included a bonus tip at the end that could save you thousands of dollars alone. Number 1, change your air filter. The air filter cleans the air entering your engine. Once the filter gets dirty, your engine gets dirty, and all sorts of things can start happening. First, the fuel-air ratio goes out of balance. This can cause problems like rough idling, loss of power in turbocharged engines, and weird engine noises. It can also cause your engine performance to dip and gas consumption to increase by up to 10%. The average person spends $1,800 annually on gas, so a dirty filter could cost $180. If a mechanic has to diagnose the rough idle, they will charge you for several unnecessary things, which could cost several $100s. The good news is that swapping a dirty air filter is easy. You don't need any tools, and a new filter costs roughly $30. Try to change the air filter at least every 30,000 miles. However, if you drive in a lot of congestion, do it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Number 2, avoid frequent short trips. Did you know that driving a car for less than 10 minutes can kill the battery? Not if you do it just once, of course. However, if you frequently take short trips, that will do it. That is because your car needs to reach optimal temperature. When it doesn't, engine oil doesn't circulate properly, which leads to engine wear. The first part to go is usually the battery, which will cost $185 to $400. You will also need to change your oil more often. Short trips also use significantly more gas, which harms the environment. To avoid this, combine errands, walk, or use a bicycle for short distances. Number 3, skip expensive fuel additives. We are big fans of fuel additives on car care clues, but only if you use the right ones at the right time. Sadly, most people don't and end up being scammed. If you drive a new car, additives won't help your engine. By law, gasoline in the US comes with additives anyway. However, if your car manual recommends it, buy high-quality fuel to take car maintenance to the next level. While it costs a bit extra, it reduces the risk of clogged fuel filters and injectors. A fuel injector clean costs between $50 and $200. High-quality fuel is also more economical and better for your engine. It is also much cheaper than wasting $20 per bottle of fuel additive. So, using high-quality gas could help you save up to $400 a year. However, you'll need additives if you drive an old car, especially one with a carburetor. Whatever you drive, one thing you shouldn't do without is the next on our list. Number 4, check your car's alignment. According to a survey by Motor.com, 16% of drivers delay car alignment. While wheel realignment sounds like a made-up mechanic scam, it can be a lifesaver. When the wheel is off-center by more than 2 degrees, it can cause serious problems. The first issue is that misalignment wears tires unevenly, which can cost roughly $150 to $200 per tire. Second, and most importantly, is that poor alignment causes poor handling. If you have an accident, your insurance might not cover it due to negligent maintenance. This means the $75 to $100 you spend on wheel alignment could save you well over $600 a year. Most manuals recommend a car alignment every 2 years or 30,000 miles. However, if you are experiencing uneven tire wear, your car pulls to the side, or you drive in potholes, check it. Number 5, clean your battery terminals. Car batteries are designed to last 3 to 6 years. As they approach expiry, corrosion forms on the terminals. This happens when chemicals from the battery react with the air, forming a white or greenish substance. Corrosion prevents a solid connection between the battery and the cables, which can cause power supply issues and electrical problems. Once this happens, you might have to spend some money fixing any damaged electrical equipment. A cheap and easy way to prevent this is to clean your battery terminals. All you need is a little bit of baking soda and a toothbrush. This process costs $5 and takes 5 minutes, but it could save you up to $300. If you've had the battery for over 2 years, try to clean it every 6 months. Number 6, keep your gas tank at least 1/4 full. There are a lot of myths about how much fuel should be in your car. We did a full video on this, and you should check it out. 9 fuel myths stupid people fall for. Many people believe that driving with low fuel will damage their engine, but that is false. It will damage the fuel pump, which sits in the fuel tank and needs gas to keep it lubricated. When the tank is low, there isn't enough lubrication for the fuel pump, so it overheats. The fuel pump, including labor, will cost between $500 and $1,000 to replace. That is why you should keep the tank at least 1/4 full. The next set of car repair secrets are the real money savers. Ignoring any of these could lead to extremely expensive repairs. Number 7, check engine coolant. Engine coolant is a liquid we rarely pay attention to. However, letting it get too low can cause serious problems. As the name implies, coolants prevent the engine from overheating. When the engine gets too hot, you can blow your gasket. This will cost between $1,000 and $3,000 to repair, but that's not all. Coolants contain additives needed to prevent corrosion in the engine, which can lead to wear and tear, overheating, and engine failure. Replacing an engine can cost between $3,000 and $10,000, all because you neglected to spend $15. Check the coolant level every 3 to 6 months, and while you're at it, check the other fluid levels. When you top up the coolant, only use what your manual recommends. Mixing coolants can cause them to gel, clogging the engine. Number 8, rotate your tires. Here is another secret that sounds made up. Unfortunately, rotating your tires is important. Well, unless you enjoy wasting money, rotating your tires ensures even wear and maximizes their tread life. The first advantage is obvious. It saves you money on new tires. The average tire rotation costs $50, but can extend tire life by 10,000 miles. The second advantage is more significant. Even tire treads give you better traction, which is especially needed on slick roads. If you use all-wheel drive, even wear reduces the stress on the drivetrain. Fixing drivetrain components can cost as little as $100 and as much as $5,000. Aim to rotate your tires every 5,000 or every time you go for an oil change. Number 9, park in the shade or use a sunshade. Finding a covered parking spot on a sunny day is about more than just convenience. This simple tip can save you thousands of dollars in repair costs. First, excessive sun exposure damages the paint, causing it to deteriorate quickly. A basic paint job costs $300, but aim to spend at least $1,000 on a decent one. Secondly, sun exposure damages leather upholstery and the dashboard. Fixing a cracked dashboard can cost up to $2,000. Finally, excessive heat can burn the electrical components and prevent the AC from cooling more quickly, costing another few $100s in repair. A $20 sunshade could potentially save you over $3,000. Number 10, check and replace brake pads before they wear out. Everybody knows that worn brake pads are a problem. However, drivers rarely keep track of how low they are. The moment you start hearing a screeching sound, you need to replace them. While it costs between $100 to $300 per axle, it is worth the cost. Worn brake pads will destroy the rotors and calipers, which cost 2 to 3 times as much to repair. Degraded brake pads compromise braking power, which can lead to accidents. This could easily reach thousands of dollars out of pocket due to negligent maintenance. Number 11. Check and maintain your suspension. Most people never think about the suspension unless they're on rough terrain or when it stops working. If your car feels bouncier than normal, you need to act fast. Difficult steering and uneven tire wear are other signs of the suspension fading. If one of your shocks is bad, you should ideally replace all 4. While this will cost a few $100s, it will help keep you safe on the road. Check your suspension every 30,000 miles, or whatever your manual says. Number 12. Check and replace worn belts and hoses. If you've never done this before, you're certainly not alone. Very few people ever think about the belts and hoses on their cars. While these parts are durable, they will eventually give in. Timing and serpentine belts control critical parts of the engine. If the timing belt breaks, the car will stall and can leave you stranded. Things get much worse when the serpentine belt breaks, as it can cause overheating. Broken hoses also disrupt fuel and airflow, which can also cause overheating. If your car is over 60,000 miles, you need to check these often. Number 13. Keep tires properly inflated. Everybody knows that underinflated tires make you consume more fuel, but did you know that it can also be fatal? According to the National Transportation Safety Board, an average of 33,000 accidents occur each year due to tire-related problems. Driving with underinflated tires can lead to blowouts, which cause over 700 deaths annually. Underinflated tires generate heat, which makes them wear out quickly. Experts recommend checking tire pressure at least once a month and keeping a portable air compressor in your car. Astro AI Tire Inflator. While properly inflating tires might seem obvious, many drivers overlook this tip. They also make the same mistake with the next tip. Number 14. Change your engine oil regularly. Did you know 28% of drivers don't change oil on time? If you're one of them, you risk serious damage to your engine. Oil lubricates the engine, making it run properly. It also improves gas mileage and reduces or prevents overheating. Once oil gets old, engine performance dips, and the engine can eventually fail. Unless you have $4,000 to spend on a new engine, you should never miss an oil change. You can save the $100 from the oil change by learning how to do it yourself. Change the oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or whatever the manufacturer recommends. Number 15. Replace spark plugs on time. One of the scariest car symptoms is when you have faulty spark plugs. You'll experience rough idling, poor fuel economy, and difficulty starting. These signs might seem big, but they have an easy solution. Unfortunately, shady mechanics won't tell you that. Instead, they'll blame it on a bunch of sensors, the fuel injectors, the fuel pump, and maybe even the pistons. What should have cost $150 could cost over $1,000. However, it will be much worse if the fear of mechanics forces you to keep driving your car in that condition. Bad plugs can cause severe engine damage, which can set you back $4,000. Once your plugs have done 60,000 to 100,000 miles, have them checked and replaced if necessary. While you're at it, check the next thing too. Number 16. Change transmission fluid. Just like with spark plugs, transmission fluid has a lifespan of 60,000 and 100,000 miles. However, some cars require a change every 30,000 miles. This process costs between $80 and $250, but it can save you thousands of dollars per year. When transmission fluid gets old, it doesn't lubricate the transmission, and if it gets too hot, it will fail. A new transmission costs between $2,500 to $7,100, including labor. If you think this is expensive, wait until we get to the bonus tip. Number 17. Don't ignore the check engine light. According to the International Drivers Association, 29% of car owners ignore the check engine light. Most of the time, the light comes on when you need an oil change. However, it can also signal more important problems. Cars don't go bad all at once. They tend to start with smaller issues. Small sensor issues can cost $50 to fix, and some can even be solved with light cleaning at home. However, if you ignore them, they could spiral. Eventually, failing parts will cause engine failure, which will cost up to $10,000 to fix. If you don't have one yet, it's time to buy an OBD2 scanner. They cost less than $40 and always come in handy. Never ignore the check engine light, and never ignore the next tip. Bonus tip: wash and wax your car. Did you know that washing your car regularly could make you money? Washing and waxing your car helps to protect its paint. As mentioned earlier, repainting your car can cost thousands of dollars, and on luxury cars, this can be as high as $20,000. However, by protecting the original paint, you can also protect your car's resale value. Clean cars can boost their value by 10 to 20%. Car maintenance costs a lot of money. However, following these maintenance tips will protect your money and car from serious damage. If this video saved you from a costly trip to the mechanic, hit that subscribe button. It's free, unlike your last repair bill. And if you want more secrets they don't want you to know, check out this video on 13 car maintenance tips mechanics don't want you to know.